Mastering reflexive pronouns. You, yourself, and you. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're diving into the world of reflexive pronouns. They are those small but vital words in English, such as myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. They are often used to indicate that the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. Don't worry if this sounds a bit confusing right now. We'll break it all down for you. Before we dive into examples and exercises, let's get a firm understanding of what reflexive pronouns are. As mentioned earlier, they are used when the subject and object of the sentence are the same. For example, I did it myself. In this sentence, I is the subject and myself is the object. Both refer to the same person. Reflexive pronouns are used in two main instances. 1. Emphasizing who is doing the action. 2. E.g., I built the house myself. 3. When the action reflects back onto the subject. 4. E.g., she looked at herself in the mirror. Now, let's look at some examples of reflexive pronouns in sentences. Myself, I will do it myself. Yourself, you should treat yourself. Himself, he cut himself while cooking. Herself, she found herself in a strange place. Itself, the cat cleaned itself. Ourselves, we did the cleaning ourselves. Yourselves, you need to protect yourselves. Themselves, they bought themselves some ice cream. Now that we understand reflexive pronouns, let's try some exercises together. 1. Fill in the blanks. 2. She painted the house all by blank. 3. They should blame blank for the mess. 4. We have to defend blank in the game. 5. Correct the sentences. 6. You need to take a break. You. 7. He hurt his foot. Him. 8. The dog is licking it. After you complete these exercises, check your answers and try to understand why a certain reflexive pronoun is used in each context. And that's it for today's video on reflexive pronouns. Remember, the key to mastering them is practice. Keep using these reflexive pronouns in your daily conversations and writing. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back with more exciting grammar lessons. Until then, keep practicing, and remember, you're doing this for yourself.